If you searched how to buy shares of Columbia Financial Inc., this short guide will walk you through the key steps. Columbia Financial Inc. is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ with the ticker CLBK. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CLBK to find the listing. Then select the result that clearly matches Columbia Financial Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary and review the price chart to see recent market activity. Confirm the name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker CLBK to make sure this is the correct share. To place an order, click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or scheduled, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. For reference, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.